Governor Gavin Newsom signs legislation changing the way the state pays for wildfire damage. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. I'm Dina Kupfer. We start there. That new law could shore up money for fire damage caused by utility companies, but it could all come at a cost, and that would be to you. CBS 13's Dan Mitchinson has more on what this means for utility customers.
This bill is being called a bipartisan political victory by the governor, but not everybody likes it. Utility customers will continue to pay a charge that's already on their bill, but instead of ending in a couple of years, it will be extended for almost 15. Governor Newsom says approving this bill actually costs you less than if he or the state were to do nothing. And he told me this bill isn't a Band-Aid, but it's also not the final solution.
It's a series of steps, but the federal government needs to participate. Private individuals need to do more home hardening. They need to do more on defensible spaces. Obviously, the IOUs need to do their part. We need to do our part through CAL FIRE and Office of Emergency Service. But it will take years.
Now, this bill provides utility companies with $21 billion and would pay for damages from fires linked to their equipment. However, a recent analysis from the LA Times found that unless current laws were changed and this bill signed, PG&E, for example, would likely see their rates double in the next decade.